Hi guys, this is Mike. Welcome for a new tutorial. So today I show you how to code a light sensor. So how to turn on a light sensor depending of the obscurity in the room. So while doing that, we see how to show numbers, how to use variables, how to read sensor, and so on. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to do, let me share my other screen. So you're going to need to go to Google and go to the place where you can code that board. So you go here and you type here BBC microbit. This is where you go and you type here BBC microbit. And when you're here, you type on Let's Code. And you go to MakeCode editors. And you should arrive here, so you create a new project. Alright, so this is the interface used for the BBC microbit we're using here. And you give it a name, just type light sensor. This is how we can call it. There we go. And you should have that little pop-up window here. It says, show you the different part of the ID. Type here, and we can close that. You can use it if you're brand new to that interface. As I like to say, I like to start with the basics. So showing something here on start. So we have two blocks here on start forever, and here we have all the different tabs where you can use the different aspect and characteristic of the board. And on start, you click here, and you can pick whatever you want. Let's say I want to pick a giraffe. So just when the board starts, I want to know if it's working or not. And if it shows something that I have coded, so it means it's coded. It's coded. And you can put like wait 1000 milliseconds to seconds. There you go. Alright, so this is what we need to do. We need to read the sensor. So for that, we go to show numbers. We go to the basic tab. We go to show numbers. Here and pick that one. So it shows show number 0. Alright, that's a good way to get started. After that, we go to input, and this is where we're going to find how to read the I'm sorry, that's not what I'm looking for. We have different sensors here, that's why. We have the compass, we have the light level, temperature, and so on, and accelerometer. So we use the temperature sensor here. And here it's using show number temperature. Alright guys, show number. Why I'm doing that? Alright, light level. This is what we want. Show number light level. And it shows the giraffe in wait 2 seconds. So the light level is 128. You can see it here. Alright, and we can read it. So I show you how to use a if condition, so we can see what the light is. And there we go, we can go here. Show numbers. Okay. That's how it goes. So this is how it goes, guys. So we can go to download now. We click on download, and we get the file for us. Oh, it seems we need to connect it first. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to connect it first. And it's connected. We click on next. And here we click on download as a file. And we click on done. So guys, it has downloaded the file for us in the download folder. So you go to your download folder. You find it there. And you click on Ctrl+C or copy. And when you go to copy, since you've connected the microbit board to your computer, you should see the microbit board appearing there as a type of USB. So you click on that, it's going to be called microbit if you didn't change it. And you click on paste. So it will paste it on the board for you like a USB drive. So you just wait a couple of seconds for it to just give it the time to upload it there. That should be it. Now let me switch the screen, guys, so you can see what I'm talking about here. Alright, 1 second. Webcam. Alright, there you go, guys. Alright, so now I'm putting the temperature on it, so 1 second. So you can see I have a light here. Let me move the light a little bit closer. (92 lumens). I think it's in lumens. 103. So you can see the different 127. So all of that are in lumens, guys. So this is where you can push the project a bit further, you know, if you have something you're trying to control the temperature, like the lights outside, you know, this is how they work. You don't really have someone to turn them on and off. We have that light sensor on it. Okay, when we have a certain threshold of obscurity, you know, and light, so it just does that. It's going to turn on or off the bulb for you guys. So this is more or less how it works. So how to read the temperature from the BBC microbit we have here. So I leave a description, a link in the description where you can find them online and buy them. You know, they're not that expensive. You can have them for less than $30, depending on where you buy it. They're mostly less than $30. All right, guys. So that's going to be all for today. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Don't forget to leave a comment, or if you have any suggestion or any concerns. And don't forget to share the video and to subscribe to the channel, guys, so we can keep going. Alright, guys, see you for another tutorial. Bye.